how to replace taillight on Toyota Scion Tc. You see, it's out. So we're gonna use this long life 7443 Sylvania light bulb. So how to access those light bulbs? So there's a panel right directly behind that taillight. So you can use flat tip to fry them up. So it happens that I have this special tool that I have it around. So right there, the panel is out. So I think the taillight is the brown one. You see it, the brown now. So we're gonna go lefty loosey. Blow. I turn it left to get it loose. There you are. Pull the string. It is out. You can see it's burnt. Okay, no bueno. They're not good. So how to pull them out? Just yank it like that. Please do not touch the light bulb directly. I use face mask to put him in. Just slide him in there. Get him good. Wiggle it. Give it a wiggle. Now it's in. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it on. See if it works. And voila. Okay, I'm going to make your life easy. You see those three triangular? They're skinny. And those two fat ones. So make sure you line up the skinny to the skinny. So it'll be easy to go in. Okay, so now I'm in. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it to the right, righty tighty, to tighten him up. Right there, voila. Check him out, it's good. Okay, put the panel back in. Easy greasy lemon squeezy.